It's the age-old problem. Eliminating mosquitoes so you can enjoy the great outdoors. Here in New Jersey, these winged vermin are known as the New Jersey Air Force. So today, we're going to review Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice. Don't go away. Hey team, welcome back to Lawn Journeys. It's Russ. Nice to have you guys here. Let's get down to business. The topic of today's video is mosquitoes. How to repel using a natural product that is safe for pets, aquatic life, kids, and pollinating insects. So in this video, we're going to run through a couple steps. First, we're going to talk about Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice, what its mode of action is, how to apply it, what's the application rate, what's the frequency. Stick around to the end of the video and there's a discount code that Mama Nature's provided because they did send this product to me. Full disclosure, it's the first time I'll be using it. I've been wanting to experiment with this product for some years, but just haven't gotten around to it. And I had an opportunity to talk to Mama Nature's, and they're like, hey, we'll send you one, try it, share with your users, and give your honest opinion. So that's what I'm going to do. The developer of Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice discovered that the sulfur in garlic and cedar oil naturally repels mosquitoes and ticks. They are the active ingredients in this product. While you won't be able to smell the garlic a few minutes after applying, mosquitoes can. That's because mosquitoes can detect odors up to 10,000 times better than humans. The garlic chases away mosquitoes as long as they can detect it, typically up to 3 weeks after spraying. You're going to reapply Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice every 15 to 21 days. The reason behind that is the mosquito life cycle is approximately 21 days. So when you do your first application, you're going to be pushing these mosquitoes to your neighbor's house. They're no longer going to want to hang around your house. So when you do your first application, you can expect a 75 to 80% decrease in mosquitoes because you're repelling them off of your property where you've applied. I've already gotten bit on my leg just standing out here. It's a Sunday afternoon. It's like 90 degrees here in Jersey and it's ridiculous. I'm getting bit already. It's just all of a sudden they're out. So the key here, just like any other product, is you need to reapply. You need to maintain the barrier. So according to the literature, after your second application, okay, your mosquito infestation in the areas that you treated should be even lower. So you should see a further reduction in biting venomous mosquitoes. All right, team, there's a couple ways you can apply this. You can use a small tank sprayer. The ones, I'll show you guys one that you pump up. You can purchase those at any big box store, or you can get them from Mama Nature's online. We'll talk about that in a minute. I'm choosing to use my backpack sprayer because I do a lot of lawn applications with this. So the instructions for applying this, regardless of whether you're using a tank sprayer or a backpack sprayer, is 1 bottle to 1 gallon of water. You should be applying this to your flowers, trees, grass, and foliage. I have the deck area here. I have a front porch area where we get eaten alive. So I'm going to be spraying that vegetation rather heavily, and I'm going to come out here and apply it to my lawn in my backyard area and as far as it goes around my house. This 1 gallon should treat 6,000 to 8,000 square feet. All right, team. So as discussed, I have my Flow Zone Typhoon 2 backpack sprayer. You guys have seen me use this before. I've measured out 1 gallon of water, which is what I have in here. We have our Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice. I'm gonna give it a nice little shake here. Let's pop that top. Whew, I can smell the garlic already. It actually smells pretty good. So you can see I got a little on my finger. It's a little bit of a white material. It's thicker than I thought. Let's get that in here. She's fully mixed in here. agitated in 1 gallon of water. Smells like dinner. I love garlic. I'm glad mosquitoes don't. Let's get spraying. All right guys, so here's the deck area. I'm gonna spray all this foliage. This is where we get inundated up here. Mosquitoes just live in this stuff. We don't want to spray any hard surfaces, such as the house, cement, brick. This is designed to be good on the foliage. And the trees. All right, team, so like I said, my wife is my best test subject. She gets eaten alive. I did get bit a few times out here today. It's really annoying at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyway, I did spray the whole deck area. I did all the foliage, I did the grass. I did the trees in the area. I went around front. You guys saw a little of that on my front porch where sometimes we sit out and we get eaten alive out there too. The one thing, I did use my Typhoon 2 backpack sprayer. I used it on low pressure, 1 gallon. Now normally when I'm doing lawn applications, I go through about 1 gallon per every 1,000 square feet. In any case, when I do my follow-up application in 15 to 21 days, I think I'm going to use this pump sprayer. A little bit more control, probably come out a little slower. I think I'll be able to cover more square footage. So I will pin some comments to this video within the next 3 weeks and let you know if I think the application went farther with this. All right, team, here we are at naturesmosquitojuice.com. I just wanted to quickly show you the shopping area. There are a variety of products and product bundles that you can purchase. They are designed for different areas. There is a season-long plan. You can do a subscription plan where they'll ship to you periodically. So I encourage you to visit the website and look and see what your options are. Don't forget there is a discount code that Mama Nature has extended to us, which will be coming up further in the video. Okay, team, it's Russ. So let's wrap things up. Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice. Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice. Hey, that was pretty good, wasn't it? Okay. Want to do it again? All right, team, Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice. Ooh. Okay, team, Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice.
Second one.
Mama Nature's Mosquito Juice, right here, is available online at mamanaturesmosquitojuice.com. There's a link in the description. Use lawnjourneys 10, get 10% off. They offered us a discount code. If you're tormented by mosquitoes like we are, give it a shot. If you've used this product already and you want to leave comments, do so below. And like I said, I will be doing my second application in 15 to 21 days. I will be pinning some comments to this video and I will report back to you guys and let you know if I've seen a reduction in biting vermin mosquitoes on my property, especially on my deck and out front. And I will also comment on how much farther I was able to apply using the pump sprayer versus the backpack. That's it. I'd like to thank Mama Nature's. I invite you guys to follow the channel and make sure you get out there and get it done. And I'll see you guys next time on Lawn Journeys.